I want to share a simple philosophy on how to get your first or your next deal in one weekend for free. Now, this is all about hustling. This is all about getting out there and doing it, not talking about it, not learning about it, but actually doing something that has the chance for leads to come in. Now, this may not be the most efficient way. It's certainly something that's outside of the scope many times when you're talking about putting a system together. But if you wanted to spend some time on the phone practicing talking to sellers at the same time trying to close a deal, well, this is something to consider. Let's say you've got some extra time and you don't mind talking to some sellers on the phone, and you don't mind talking to a lot of sellers on the phone. You could go to Redfin, you could go to Zillow, anywhere where you can be putting in criteria, where you can be searching for current for sale by owners that have had listings at least about 100 days. So somebody that's motivated, they have not been able to sell their house, you're calling them up. There's somebody that obviously wants to sell their house and their house is not sold. If there is some motivation, chances are they're feeling even more pain after all this time has passed. Who knows what's going on in their life? And just like if you had a car that was broken down on the side of the road, somebody stops by saying, want me to take a look? They pop open the hood and they're like, well, heck, I can fix this. They fix it for you and off you go. That is a tremendous situation, right? They have fixed our problem, and when our car doesn't work, it's a huge problem because we've got somewhere to go. It's always inconvenient. Well, when it comes to selling a house, if somebody's motivated, well, you know somebody that comes and can help them, that is a big situation. Now, why hasn't that house sold yet? There is a problem. There is a situation. The fact that it hasn't sold, assuming the price isn't just way too high, the person isn't completely unrealistic, there's a problem that needs to be solved. That's where real estate investors come and raise their hands saying, I'm a problem solver. Please tell me, what can I do to help you out of this situation? I'm generalizing here, but you get the idea. It's all about finding the person who's got the pain, finding the person who's got the problem, and then building some quick rapport, finding out what the problem is, and seeing if you can help them. So if you can be calling all of the people that you find in a weekend using this type of a fun little scenario where you're looking for sale by owners that have had a house on the market for at least 100 days. You're calling them up. The phone call is quick. You're just trying to find out what their situation is and if you can help them. And if not, that's fine. But if you can, great. And then you are moving forward. You're trying to get a price that's going to be very good, particularly if you don't know exactly what your exit strategy is at that point, depending on the market that you're going after. Now, I suggest that you already know what your exit strategy is. Are you going to be picking up that property subject to the underlying financing? I've got another video that goes into detail on that. Do you already have a rehabber that you know would love this property? Because chances are this property is a problem property. Somebody needs to go in and fix this property. If you've already got relationships with those people, you already know what their numbers are, what the areas are that they're interested in. It could be that you know this property and the contract that you're putting together, how you're structuring the numbers, could be a perfect fit for that exit strategy. But this is all about getting the phone calls in, and it is a volume scenario. You're spending time talking to people. If they're not going to be a deal, you're moving on to the next call. Boom, boom, boom. You're trying to get your first or your next deal in one weekend for free using these services, merely trying to help people that are out there that have been waving their hand for a long time and nobody is solving their problem until you come along and you solve the problem and you get that deal. Will you get one deal? Will you get more than one deal? Either way, you're going to have a lot of momentum going. That's what this is all about. I hope it helps. I'll share more with you in the next video.